Hi there. So today I'm going to share how you can add manual payment method or bank transfer on your Ninja forms. It can be done really quick and without any paid add-ons. So let's see how we can add the manual bank transfer method on your existing Ninja forms. Let's get started. So for this tutorial purpose, I will use a test server. It can be like testwp.com. Then you can sign up or go to login. So I have already account, so I'm going to log in there. They have a bug. So after logged in again, it's resolved. So I'm going to create a new website and I'm going to pick PSP version 8.2 and the latest version of the WordPress. Keep everything fine, but I don't want to get those plugin as a pre-installed, and I'm going with this thing, not this one. You can leave it a name or you can just keep it blank. So let's keep it blank and generate our website. So it's ready and it will be available for next 7 days. You see, here is the timeline. Now let's go to plugins, add new plugin and search for Ninja Forms. Install this one, and we also would like to check the email log, or you can just leave it. Okay, let's try the form at first, and if we need anything we can install later on. So let's go to page, add new page, and add our by default pre-installed or what comes with the Ninja Forms as a default form, like contact us form. So let's contact us and add the Ninja Forms what we have at this moment. Let's click to publish and view the default form. So this is the default form. Let's go back to the form and make some changes there. So if you found this, you can just yes agree or just not now. It's totally fine. And if you would like to dismiss this page, you can click to here for dismiss. This is our default form. Now let's make some changes. So this is our payment form, so the message will not be required here. So we would like to add name, email, and a few more options. Like we would like to take a option like which bank they have chosen to send the payment. So we can predefine the option, or we can leave a box where they can type that we use Citibank, we use Wise, or we used dash bank. So it's totally up to you. If you would like to set a predefined option so customer can pick one from there, you can add drop down. So let's use a drop down, or it's called select. Here is the select option. So we can add some bank name here, like Citibank. That we don't want any cal below, so it can be 0. We can add Wise Payment Limited. We can add like just another bank. So label should be who is bank you have used to send the payment. We should make this field required, or you can add just a simple text field, like single line text field, where they can type their bank name here, like type your bank name. It's totally fine. You can also use this type of box, but I would like to make it fit easier for the customer, so they can just select a drop down and submit the form. So we have add this option. Let's publish and see the changes. It's working. So now let's add more information, like they can send the payment from a specific account number. They can send the payment from different type of method, like they can use like ACH or some other method if you are in Europe or if you are in USA. But I am in Bangladesh, and here is three type of payment method. One is NPSB, which means it will be directly transferred. Second option is RTGS. It will be almost instant, but there is a time frame like 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and it can be done only on the working days. Another one is BFTN. So if you send before a specific time, like before 12 p.m., it can be settled after 4 p.m. So there is a time frame. But I think it's totally vary on your country. So if you have some kind of option, you can also set here. So I am going to make this from based on my country, but you can make any changes here. So we can add the bank, or we can ask for the bank name. So we'll use single line text field for the bank name. We can use the account number. So account number, it can be digit. So we can use number field. So here is the number field. We can ask for the branch name. Oh, sorry, I have to add a single line text field. I can ask for like routing number, or just leave it. The branch name will provide this one. We can ask for the payment method, so we'll use the drop down. So select, and we can ask for the transaction ID. So we need a single line text field, but we will use some predefined or the input marks. So here is few things like which bank they have used. Oh, okay. We can ask for the account number. Oh, sorry, account number should be here. Account number, this should be account name. This should be the branch name, on which branch they have used to create this account. We can use this, the payment mode. This is NPSB, this is RTGS, and this is BEFTN or EFT. Both are the same in our country. And here is transaction ID. So I would like to make this required. Payment method, of course, it should be required. The branch name can be optional. The account number also required. The account name also be required. But for the account number, we can set a minimum number. Like in our country, the minimum number is 9, the maximum number is 16. So I can set this. Okay, let's publish. I think I have done something wrong in the account number. Let's use this on the front end. So account number. Oh yes, we will have to use or just we can use single line text field for the account number. Let's delete this one. So we can just duplicate this. We can use account number. To have more access on the field settings, we can enable the developer mode. So let's enable the developer mode. So here is the developer mode. Save changes. Now go back to here, reload the page. and go back to account number. You will see there is advance option. There is some more option here. Here is the restriction. So you can set the limit input to this number. We would like to have maximum 16 digit or character here. And you can use input marks, like you can use the custom. So if you hover over the custom, you will see you can use different type of character as a representative. Like if you use smaller a, that means the all a character should be allowed. If you use the 69, that they have to insert number for up to 16 digit. So sometimes it's helpful, but sometimes it can cause issue. But if your bank provide account number with alphabet character, then it will be a big issue. So we can just leave it as it is now. So we have account number, branch name, payment method, and transaction ID. And for the customer bank information, you can also use the single line text field, because the bank name could be vary, because some countries have like 30 banks, so it will be big deal to add 30 banks manually. So you can also delete this, use this type of single line text field. Okay, bank name. Okay, so you can save this. I think we are good to go now. Let's reload the page. So we have name, email, bank name, account number, branch name, payment method, transaction ID. But here is the another issue. So they have to type 16 digit, but the maximum 16 digit should be allowed, and it can be also minimum 9 digit. So we can disable this restriction. So we can remove this option, so they can type 9 to 16 digit. So let's reload. So when you are making the form, you will have to do some A/B testing. So sometimes you use a specific field, but it might not be working for you. You will have to try a different field. So don't worry, just try a few times, then you will find a perfect form which should be working fine for you. So now the form doesn't looks good. So we can go back to the settings, go back to the this option and enable the light option. So we will see the same layout as we are having on the editing page. So if you reload the form, you will see it's working fine. And if you would like to have multi-column layout, you can try the layout and style add-on, which can be found on the add-ons fields of the Ninja forms. And if you would like to have conditionally hide or show any field based on any selection, you can try the conditional logic field and layout and style. For the multi-column layout, you can directly go there and purchase from here. So it will be ninjaforms.com/add-ons, and this is not a sponsored video. So now let's submit this form. So name is Faisal, and the email, it can be anything, or we can change this to this. Bank name, let's try Bank PLC. Account name is Faisal Ahmed, account number is, and branch name is Vishundara. Payment method, let's try the VFTN, and transaction ID, it can be a random number for now. Let's submit. So here is the form has been submitted. Let's check the form submission in the backend. So go to the submission under the Ninja form, select the form. You will see the information is coming through here. So you can making changes here. That's it. But here is some more changes you can make. Like you can change this confirmation or success message under the email and action success message, and you can make changes here like thank you for making the payment, we will check the action, or we will take 2-3 days for the verification, etc. You can also redirect to the another page. It's totally fine. For the email notification, you should make customization, because right now it will deliver just this information, but you will need more information like the whole fillet from data. So you can use the merge check from here, go to from and use all field table, so it will give you all data as you are seeing under the submission, so not restricted to any specific field data. You can make changes the action name, the all other thing here. You can also make changes the from address, like you would like to send this email confirmation from a specific email. It could be like payment@udomain.com, so you can use that. Here is the email confirmation. You can also make some changes there. This will by default use this merge text, so you can make some changes like add some extra text here. It's totally fine. You can also change the from address, from name, etc. So we are done. And if you don't want to record any specific field data in submission, you can exclude from there. Like if you don't want to submit the account number, you can add there, but it will be delivered to your email address, so you will get whole data there, but on the submission page you will not see the account number. It should be redacted or something. The text will replace by instead of the original inputted text. So I'm going to just delete this one, and you can also set this to the submitter email address, so it should be good. I think we are done. So if you would like to add another option, like if you would like to ask for the payment proof, so they can attach a screenshot of their payment confirmation page, so you can add a upload field option. Then you will have to use the file uploads add-ons from the Ninja Forms. You can go to ninjaforms.com/add-ons, and you can purchase the license gift from here. It's called file upload, so you can purchase from single set, multi-site, like up to 5 set or up to 20 set. So here is for today. If you need anything else, comment below and I will try to make a video tutorial for you. Thanks for the watching video, and see you on the next time.